Do you know the magic question that closes deals? What happens if you do nothing? So this one question increased my close rate by actually 40%, and most freelancers never ask about it. So most freelancers end sales calls like this. So what do you think? Should we move forward? I end mine with, what happens if you do nothing about this problem? Here's what happens when clients ghost you after a great call. They're not saying no to you. They're choosing to do nothing. And doing nothing feels safe. It's free. It's comfortable. And your job, make them realize that staying stuck is actually more expensive than hiring you. I have this client, or meron kami na close na client recently. It's a local client, and ang tagal nila mag-create ng decision even though ang ganda-ganda ng offer namin. And I can say that they don't feel the urge to actually make a decision right away. And this is very important when you are actually having a business. Kailangan mapaintindi natin sa client anong mawawala sa'yo if hindi ka nag-make ng decision right now. So, until now, that client still is messing around, having a hard time pa rin to actually grow and scale their business. So when you ask what happens if you do nothing, that's when the magic happens. They start talking themselves into the sale. Well, we'll keep losing customers to competitors. Our team will stay confused about messaging. We'll probably waste another 6 months trying to figure this out. Then suddenly, they're calculating the cost of inaction or doing nothing. That outdated website, that's actually 100,000 pesos lost in sales every month. That unclear branding, that's premium clients choosing competitors over theirs. That marketing mess, those are opportunities slipping away every day. The pain of staying stuck becomes bigger than your price tag. So I started asking this question on every sales call, and everything changed. Clients stopped saying, "Let me think about it." Price objections disappeared. They closed themselves before I even sent the proposal because they finally saw what inaction was costing them. Again, stop chasing clients. Start attracting buyers who are ready to invest. Hope this helps.